Greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about one of the prettiest 57 Thunderbirds I've had in a long time. I'm going to give you the details in a second. Welcome to Ellingson Motorcars in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about one of our inventory that probably, if you're looking for a summer cruiser, a red 57 Thunderbird convertible could be right up your alley. This beautifully done and restored car has everything that you really want in one of these old cars. It's got the 312 V8. It actually even has power steering and power brakes, which were nice options, but not every one of these cars had them in 1957. Beautiful red paint, chrome grille bumpers are all really well done. Nice glass all throughout the vehicle, and it does have both tops. The soft top, of course, is behind the seat, which one person can easily pull that up and mount. Or as on the back stand there, you can see we have the hard top that goes with it as well. So if you were inclined to want to have that more permanent, you can put that on the car. Usually takes two people to do it, but once you got it on, it's nice to have. Like I said, the car has lots of nice features, the accessory things that we come to love and cherish, the power steering and power brakes being those. The other big improvement, of course, with all these old cars out of the 50s is they put the radial tires, the radial white wall tires with the wire wheels. Absolutely just makes this car outstanding. And I mean, what better option could you have on one of these cars? Like I said, beautiful all redone interior, the padded dash, has the town and country radio, just, all around a really nice example. It is the automatic on the floor in the center, so anyone can drive this car, get in it and turn it on. So if you want to know more details about this car and any of the other almost 100+ cars we have on our sales floor here at Ellingson Motorcars, visit our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. You can also find a lot of our information on all the cars and trucks and street rods and resto mods that we have on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube as well. So the other thing is, you can come and visit us in Minnesota. We are open Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5. Give us a call. Come and take a visit. We have a nice indoor showroom. We'd be happy to show you around and show you all our inventory, especially if you're looking for a nicely done 57 Thunderbird. What could be finer?